Hello, I am Gökhan Zor. Today I would like to introduce you our F30 wheel repair equipment. It has 10-inch to 30-inch capacity, alloy wheel repair equipment and polishing attachment together. It works for alloy wheels and steel wheels together. It has 18 pieces centering cones. It's coming in standard. It starts with 54 millimeters and it goes to 76 for European cars, and for big wheels United States cars, it has 76 to 130 extra 18 pieces more included. It has a special flange adapter here. It's suitable all kind of rims in garage. And also we have special hydraulic press tips here. I would like to show them to you. We have 5 pieces, this type of press tips, specially designed for damaged wheels, for to press from outside to inside. It's a corner adapter. They usually use this adapter from here, pressing from lips. And for small repairs, it's from inside to outside adapter. We can use these adapters with hydraulic cylinder, 5-ton press power. It's working with start and stop button. And here we have a handle. It's press up and press down. This adapter has 5.5 centimeters length, and also it has 3 pieces different size of extenders. With this extender, you can repair biggest wheels in market. For example, this wheel is 28-inch capacity, so when we put it here, it directly fits there. Here is holder for hydraulic cylinder, and here we have roof for adapter holders. And here we have tools for adjusting centering cones into the wheel. And here we have other type of 8 pieces half moon press adapters. It's called HFM 850. These tools are specially designed by Nitromac engineers. This one is for small inside to outside press tips. You can see the edges here. So when we put it here, it's pushing all surface inside to outside of wheels. And also here we have 8 different type of press tips there. So how we can use it, I can show you easily with these adapters. This is 13-inch to 17-inch capacity, and here we have more bigger 17-inch to 24-inch capacity. And here we have inside to outside small part. Here is more bigger type, and this is for outside to inside from here. And this frame is for adjustable for smallest or biggest wheels. So with these pins you can take it out and move it that way and the other way, up and down. And it's for holder part for hydraulic cylinder. This cylinder we can put it here and then use attachments for pressing easily, like that. In the other side of the wheel, we have some controllers. I would like to show how to operate equipment. Before operation, we have to use all our secure equipments, and then I would like to show you how to operate equipment. Here we have a button for hydraulic pump engine start and stop, and here we have shaft engine button. When we turn it right side, it turns right way, stops, and turns the other way, turns reverse. Here we have magnetic watch and the base. It shows roughness of the wheel. So first we start where we can use presses. Here, for example, it doesn't online. And then we lock it here with handle. And after that, it doesn't turn anyway. After that, we start hydraulic pump engine button, and then we use some extenders, and to operate we can use a special tip for pressing from there. And from here we can see on the magnetic watch how many millimeters we pressed, and then we decide if it's enough or not. After operation, we tighten off the handle and spin wheel again. And here we find one more roughness there, and then again we lock on the center. And it needs to be pressed from here just a little bit more. So different sizes, we can use other types of extenders. You can see the roughness here, so just the basic operation we can repair it easily. You see, it's coming in the line. After operation, we can check it again. If it's on the line, it seems it's finished. Also for tin wheels, aluminum wheels, it needs to be heated before operation. In this equipment, we have an infrared rim heating system, also infrared heating system, digital controller box. Now I would like to show you other side of the machine. Here we have the speed control unit. It's the speed up and speed off scroll. And here the shaft engine working ways, forward and reverse. And here working light off on button. And this is the heater button. If you switch on and put it here, you can start heating directly. And after that, all controls are here. And here we have a polishing engine. And we can use this forward and reverse, left and the right supporting ways with these angles. Today I show you our F30 Pro machine with polishing equipment. Thank you for watching us.